We're mixing a classic steakhouse recipe with the best pork in the world, and I think you're gonna like it. The flavors are just crazy. This is melt in your mouth good. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making Iberico Presa Diane with Iberico pork from Campo Grande. We have a beautiful, close to 2-pound Iberico Presa here. We're gonna trim off some of the excess fat, and you can really see why people call this the Wagyu of pork. Look at the beautiful intramuscular fat. The flavor of this cut, it's gonna be amazing. You need to season it lightly with your favorite barbecue rub. We're using our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost. Then we're gonna set the oven at 400. We're gonna place the presa in an oven-proof pan and insert our meat stick thermometer. The Iberico Presa is prepped, so let's start cooking it. Now we're gonna bake this until we reach our target inner temperature at 118 degrees. We're gonna add some oil to a medium hot pan, and then we're gonna remove the presa from the oven and place in the pan. We wanna give it a quick sear on both sides, maybe a minute per side, and look at that beautiful caramelization. Make sure that you don't overcook it. You wanna remove it when it has an inner temperature of about 130 degrees. When ready, remove the presa and let it rest for about 10 minutes. While the presa is resting, let's prepare the sauce Diane. We want to add 2 very finely diced shallots to the pan, and then we're going to saute for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to add a cup of cognac and deglaze the pan, and if you want to, you can flambé it as well. Then we're gonna add a 1.5 cups of beef broth and let this reduce down till half. We need to add 2 tablespoons of good Dijon mustard. Then we also want to add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. We're going to cook this a little bit longer. Then we want to melt 3 tablespoons of butter into the pan. And next we want to add a cup and a half of heavy whipping cream. We're going to finally chop some parsley. Then we're going to add that to the pan as well. We want to season with salt and pepper. And then we're going to place the rested presa steak back into the pan again. And look at this. This just simply looks amazing. And why don't we pour a little bit of that sauce on top of it as well for good looks. And that is how I make my Iberico Presa Diane with Iberico pork from Campo Grande. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this, and let's sauce it up thoroughly, and here we go. So rich, so flavorful. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling. Iberico pork, the best pork in the world.